How to add or remove the Amplify Ambient Sound Shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility, then tap on hearing enhancements. After that, we go down and tap on Amplify Ambient Sound. In here, tap on Amplify Ambient Sound Shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now tap on the left hand side panel will allow you to choose which shortcuts to use. You can use one or more shortcuts. So here at the top, we got the tap accessibility button. So tap on the checkbox to turn it off or switch it on. And the other one is press side and volume up buttons. Or you can select press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. And that's it, so turn it on or off as you like. To access the shortcut, simply tap on the accessibility button. From the pop-up menu, just tap on the shortcut. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on or turn off Amplify Ambient Sound, and how you can use the shortcut to switch it on or off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.